Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode in Boo Dating application using your smartphone. First of all, launch open the Boo Dating app on your smartphone and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're inside the home page of Boo, go ahead and tap on the 3 horizontal menu button at the top left corner. From the expanded menu that pops up on the screen, scroll down and click on Settings. Under Settings, you will see the dark mode option under Appearance and Display. Toggle on the dark mode by switching this button on, and you will see that your device's display has now turned on to the dark color. And that's it. You've successfully enabled dark mode in the Boo Dating application to make your experience more comfortable and stylish. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.